Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the fascinating world of forex trading. Whether you're a seasoned investor or someone completely new to the concept, this video will equip you with the knowledge to understand forex trading and its endless possibilities. Let's dive into the video. Forex trading, also known as foreign exchange trading, is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. It involves buying and selling different currencies in order to profit from the fluctuations in the exchange rate. Imagine this: currencies are like the heartbeat of the global economy, and forex trading is the pulse that connects all the financial markets around the globe. Hi there, I'm Marnie, a professional forex trader for close to 8 years. I'm also a mother and I'm a wife, which means I literally work from home. And that is why I got into this exciting field of trading, because I was looking for something that I could both be a mom, a wife, and work from home. And forex trading created this opportunity for me. Today, I'll be your guide to understanding the ins and outs of forex trading. Before we dive in, let's cover some key terms you need to know. This is the moment you need to be taking notes. It is very, very important to understand the terminology that is being used. Number one, what is pips? Pips is the smallest unit of measurement in forex trading, representing the price change of a currency pair. Number two, currency pair, the quotation of one currency against another in the forex market, such as the US dollar against the euro, or the Great British Pound against the Japanese yen. Number three is spread, the difference between the buying and selling price of a currency. You need to know that in trading we have buyers and we have sellers, and each one of them are bidding on a price, and the difference between the buying and selling price is called the spread. Number four, leverage. This is something you need to really understand before you start trading in this market. Is leverage is the ability to control a large position in the market with a small amount of capital. And this is one of the points where I find a lot of people losing money and blowing accounts because they don't understand how leverage works. Number five, margin. That is the collateral required to open and maintain a trading position. Your broker will allow you to take up a position with leverage with a small amount of collateral. You need to understand how margin works and when margin calls are in order to understand this amazing industry and profit from it continuously. Now, let's talk about supply and demand. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur, whether you're a business owner, or you are basically anything that there's buying and selling, there's a supply and a demand. Our entire economy functions on supply and demand. More supply means less demand. More demand means less supply. They always balance each other out. If there is a high demand for a currency, its value rises. Conversely, if there is more supply than demand, the currency value decreases. To make an informed trading decision, you need to analyze the market. There are two main types of analysis. Number one, fundamental analysis, and number two, technical analysis. One is not better than the other, and both you need to understand in order to become a profitable long-term trader. So number one, what is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis involves the studying of economic indicators, news events, and geopolitical factors that affect currency values. The reality is the market is driven by people. People have fears and they have hopes, and that will never change. Number two, technical analysis. This focuses on analyzing historical price charts, patterns, and indicators to predict future price movements. Risk management is crucial in forex trading. It's about controlling your exposure to potential losses by setting stop loss orders or using proper position sizing. Remember, it's better to preserve your capital than to chase risky trades. Now, Warren Buffett has 2 rules. Rule number 1, don't lose money. And rule number 2, remember rule number 1. For many years, I was battling at staying consistently profitable. I used to make a lot of money, then lose it, and then make it and lose it, until I understood and studied risk management. The moment that I truly understood risk management, I was able to take my trading account from a small amount and slowly grow it over time. Again, trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You are trading against other traders. You need to be patient, you need to have a strategy, and you need to stick to that strategy. Now, let's explore some common forex trading strategies. Number 1, day trading. These are traders that open and close positions within the same trading day, aiming to profit from short-term price movements. Normally, these traders are trading anything from a 1-hour chart and below. That can also go all the way to the 5-minute chart. Number 2 is swing traders. Exactly what it means, like swinging, right? Swing traders, this is the strategy that involves holding positions for several days or weeks to capture large price movements. And then number 3 is called carry trading. These are traders that take advantage of interest rate differentials between currency pairs to earn overnight interest. All right, let's put theory into practice. Let me show you where I am currently busy taking some trades and potentially looking for an entry position or a potential close on my existing positions. Let's jump into the charts. Hey guys, forex trading has changed my life. 8 years ago, I decided to have kids. And when I became a mom, I realized that I didn't want to have a 9-to-5 anymore. Nothing against the 9-to-5. I believe that a 9-to-5 is really crucial for many people. But for me personally, I didn't want the 9-to-5 anymore. That is when I decided to look for other ways of making money. I went to MLMs, I've done MLMs, I've done many different businesses. But the one that kept yanking at my heart was forex trading. And yeah, I've been trading it for over 8 years. I only became really serious with it. It was about 3 to 4 years ago. I really became serious about it, and then I divulged all my energy into only doing that. You know how we are. We like to do a lot of things at the same time instead of specializing in one thing. I then dived right into forex trading and I learned as much as I could. Currently today, I've got a great trading strategy that is working for not only for me, but it's working for my family. It's working for being a mom, being a stay-at-home woman, being able to work from home. It fits all of the criteria that I want. So what I've done is, if you're a mom just like me and you want to learn forex trading, you want to learn the basics, but you want to learn it at your own pace. You want to build a trading strategy that works for you, your family, and it fits your hours, then this is the trading strategy for you. Because I have tried thousands of strategies and they just never used to fit the lifestyle that I want until I was taught this one. And this is the one I'm going to be teaching. So if you're a woman or you're a mom and you are looking to make a bit of extra money every month, this is the trading strategy for you. And that is a wrap, guys. We hope you enjoyed this comprehensive introduction to forex trading. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. The world of forex is full of exciting opportunities, but it requires dedication, continuous learning, and discipline. Self-discipline is the cornerstone of becoming a successful trader. So stay tuned to our channel for more insightful content on the financial market, and I will also be showing you some of the trades that I'm currently taking, why I'm taking them, what is my reasoning behind taking these trades, and then we will also look at what the outcome is. I always say the forex market is like waves of the sea. Can you predict a wave? No, neither can I. But we can ride the waves that show us opportunity. But we have to be able to take them when they come. It's the exact same thing with the forex market. We cannot predict the market, but we can benefit from it when we have a really good trading strategy and we apply it consistently over time. Guys, have an awesome and blessed